Now in this video, let me show you how you can add a note to your iPhone photos. So let me just open up the gallery. You can see I have a picture in here, so it's all fine. And there are more ways how you can add a notes to it. First of all, you can swipe up on the image like this, and there is going to be a little section for the caption. So it's called Add a Caption. You can click on it, and the keyboard's going to pop up, and you're going to type in the name of the person or some note you want to add to that image, right? So you can add it like this, hit it done, and now this is like part of the image. You can of course adjust other data like the photo when it was captured or location, but that was the main thing, right? And now you can technically use that phrase to even look up that particular image. So that's how you can add a note to the iPhone photos. That's the first option, but the note is kind of hidden. So if you go to the edit mode and go to markup instead and click the plus button in here, you'll have the ability to add a text over the image. So it's not really like a metadata or caption, but you can see that I can customize the text, a color, font, and everything, and literally like paste the text, the note over the image, right? So as you can see, we have it looking like this, so I can make it thicker and larger, and then now the note is visible on the top of the image. So of course, as I said, you can change the font like this, and now the name of the person is visible right in here on the image. So all I have to do is just hit it done and it's saved. So these are the two ways you can add a notes to iPhone photos. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.